Good morning, students. So let's continue with our partnership chapter. Let's see illustration 32. They have given us the capital account of X and Y showed the balances of 40,000 and 20,000 on 1st April 2017. They shared profit in the ratio 3:2. They are allowed interest on capital at 10% per annum and are charged interest on drawings at 12% per annum. X advanced a loan of 10,000 to the firm on 1st August 2017. During the year, X withdrew 1,000 per month in the beginning of every month, and whereas Y withdrew 1,000 per month at the end of every month. The profits for the year ended before the adjustments is 20,960. Show the distribution of profit. So in this sum, they have given us the profit before the adjustments. So we need to see the profit after adjustment. What is the profit after adjustment? There is only one extra thing which has been given, that is X advance a loan. So partner is giving a loan to the firm. So when the partner gives loan to the firm, what is the journal entry? It is profit and loss account debited to interest on loan. So rather than preparing a profit and loss account, we will directly show the calculation and get the net profit after adjustments. So take down calculation of net profit after adjustments. So we know the net profit before adjustment. How much is it? 20,960 less interest on loan. So how much is the loan the partner had given? 10,000. What is the rate? They have not given the rate, but when the partner has given loan to the firm, it is at 6%. Turn your pages. We had done two cases, that is when a partner gives loan to the firm and when the loan gives partner to the firm. In both the cases, we will be having interest on loan. It is 10,000 into 6 by 100. What percentage? He has given on 1st August. So August, September, October, November, December, Jan, Feb, March. So 8 by 12. How much do we get? 400. So our net profit after adjustment is 20,560. You might be thinking, why have I done this part? So instead of preparing the profit and loss account, I have just shown the calculation separately. If you wish, you can prepare your profit and loss account also by writing the profit here, that is 20,960, and by writing the interest on loan. So whatever answer you get will be a profit which will be transferred to a profit and loss appropriation account. So either way it can be done. Either you can do it this way or you can do it this way. Next, they have also given us drawings, that is 1,000 per month in the beginning and end of the month. So we need to calculate the drawings for both X and Y. So write down calculation of interest on drawings of Mr. X. So first we need to find out the average period. What will be the average period? He has withdrew it at the beginning of every month. So beginning of every month, it is 12 plus 1 divided by 2, that is 6.5 months. What is the total amount he has withdrawn? Total amount of drawings, it is 1,000 per month. So 1,000 into 12, which is 12,000 rupees. After that, we calculate interest on drawings. What will be the interest on drawings? 12,000 into the rate of drawings is 12%. 12 by 100 into 6.5 by 12. So what do we get? 780 rupees. Next we need to do the calculation of interest on drawings of Mr. Y. Again, what will be the average period? He has taken it at the end of the month. 11 plus 0 divided by 2, that is 5.5 months. So his amount is also 1000 per month. So we will calculate interest on drawings. How is it? How much? 12,000 into 12 by 100 into 5.5 by 12. That is 660 rupees. After this, we will be preparing a profit and loss appropriation account and partners capital account. So first let's prepare profit and loss appropriation account for the year ending 31st March 2018. We have debit side, we have credit side. Particulars, amount, particulars, amount. So what is the first step? First thing in the profit and loss appropriation account is to bring down the profit and loss account balance. In bracket, net profit transferred. So how much is it? We have calculated it at the beginning, 20,560. Then on the credit side, what do we have? We have by interest on drawings. We have calculated our interest on drawings as well for both X and Y. X it is 780, Y it is 660. So how much do we get? 1,440. Then on the debit side, we will be having to interest on capital for both X and Y. X it is how much? What is the capital he has withdrew? What is the capital he has brought? 40,000, and Y has brought 20,000. And what is the capital? 10% per annum. So we'll write 40,000 into 10 by 100, 4,000, and 20,000 into 10 by 100, that is 2,000. We get 6,000 rupees. Last, we will be totaling our credit side. What's the total? 20,560 plus 1,440. It is 22,000. The balancing figure will be transferred to partners capital account. What is the balancing figure? 22,000 minus 6,000, that is 16,000. So X and Y. What is the ratio? Profit sharing ratio they have given us as 3:2. So 16,000 into 3 by 5, that is 9,600. 16,000 into 2 by 5, that is 6,400. We get 16,000. Next, we will be preparing a partners capital account. Write down partners capital account. Again, we have debit side, credit side. We have two partners, that is X and Y. So we'll be having date, particulars, X and Y column. So write down date, particulars, X, Y, date, particulars, X, Y. So the first step is to bring down the balance on 1/4/2017. Y balance carried down. X it is 40,000, Y it is 20,000. Then on 31st March 2018 we have interest on capital. How much is it? 4,000, 2,000. Then we transfer our profit and loss appropriation balance, which we had found out in our profit and loss account, 9,600, 6,400. Then on the debit side, we have two drawings, that is the drawings amount of both X and Y. How much is it? 12,000, 12,000. Then on 31st 3/18 we have two interest on drawings. How much is it? 780, 660. We will not be writing our loan amount and interest on loan amount because that amount is always transferred to the partner's loan account and not the partner's capital account. Then we will balance both the side. Which side total is more? Credit side. How much is it? 53,600, 28,400. 53,600 and 28,400 will be written on both the sides. So what is the balance? Balance will be transferred to balance carried down. That is 53,600 minus 12,000 minus 720. That is 40,820. 28,400 minus 12,000 minus 660 is 15,740. So clear? Next, take down illustration 34. A and B are partners sharing profit in the ratio 3:2. Their drawings for the year ending 31st March were given as follows. For A they have given us, for B they have given. Calculate interest on drawings at 15% per annum for the year ended on 31st March and pass the necessary journal entries for the same. So in this case we just need to calculate our interest on drawings for both A and B. They have not mentioned any particular method, so you can do it in any way, but usually we would be doing it in a product method. So let's start the problem. So in this one, because they have given us two partners, we will be having two sides for both the partners, that is partner A, partner B, and we will be having the normal columns which we have for product method, that is date, amount, period and product. Again we will have date, amount, period and product. So first for A, what is the date? They have given us 1st May, amount is 6,000. So what will be the period? May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, Jan, Feb, March, 11. So next we need to do is 11 into 6,000. We get 66,000. Then they have given us 30th November, amount is 8,000. So months will be December, Jan, Feb, March, 4. 8,000 into 4 is 32,000. Last they have given us 31st Jan, amount 7,000. How many months? Feb and March, 2. So we get 14,000. So what is the total product we get? It is, we add all the product, $66,000, $32,000, $14,000. We get 1,12,000. Same way we do for B. First date is 1st April. How much is it? 5,000. Number of months will be 12. So 5,000 into 12 is 60,000. Then we have 31st August, 6,000. Months will be September, October, November, December, Jan, Feb, March, 7. 42,000. Then we have 31st October, 4,000. How many months? November, December, Jan, Feb, March, 5. 20,000. Then we have 1st Feb, 2,000. 2 months, 4,000. Then we have 31st March, 3,000. 0 months, 0. So what is the total of our product? It is 60,000, 42,000, 20,000, 4,000. That is 1,26,000. Next we will calculate our interest on drawings. So write down next line. Interest on drawings is equal to total product into rate by 100 into 1 by 12. So we have A, B. A total product is 1,12,000. What is the rate they have given us in the problem? They have said the rate of interest is 15%. So it is 15 by 100 into 1 by 12. 1,400. For B it is 1,26,000 into 15 by 100 into 1 by 12. We get 1,575. Last, they have asked us to write down the journal entries for interest on drawings. So what is the journal entry? Interest on drawings is written in a profit and loss appropriation account as well as in a partner's capital account. So take down journal entries of A and B. Date, particulars, LF, debit, credit. So first date will be 31st March 2016. It is interest on drawings account debited to profit and loss appropriation account. So what is the total? 1,400 plus 1,575. It is 2,975. 2,975. We'll write the narration. Transfer of interest on drawings to profit and loss appropriation account. Next, again on 31st March 16 we have A's capital account debited, B's capital account debited to interest on drawings. So A's interest in drawings is 1,400, B's 1,575 and total is 2,975. So write down the narration. Interest on partners' drawings. So how did we get the journal entries? We used to prepare a profit and loss account and transfer the interest on drawings account on the credit side. So rather than transferring, we just write the journal entry. Same is the way in a partner's capital account. So when they ask you to write down the journal entries, all you have to do is whatever ledger account you have prepared, you take down the journal entry and write down the same. So that's all for today. We shall continue the remaining sums in the next class. Thank you.